Looking to become a ChatGPT master? Look no further. With these expert tips and tricks, you'll be communicating seamlessly with the intelligent chatbot in no time. From navigating the platform to optimizing your messaging strategies, we've got you covered. Get ready to take your ChatGPT game to the next level. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, where chatbots have become the virtual companions we seek solace in, one AI language model has risen above the rest with unparalleled finesse and remarkable potential: ChatGPT. As this groundbreaking technology surges forward, it demands our attention and invites us to delve into a world of endless possibilities. So fasten your digital seatbelts and prepare to explore the captivating journey of ChatGPT, accompanied by a treasure trove of tips and tricks that will unlock its fullest potential. Welcome back, everyone. It's time for AI. Here we cover the latest news and breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to avoid missing out on exciting content. Imagine a world where you have an all-knowing companion, capable of answering your questions, engaging in witty banter, and sparking intellectual discussions in the blink of an eye. A companion that constantly learns, adapts, and evolves, growing in sophistication with each passing day. Born from the minds of brilliant data scientists and unleashed into the digital realm, ChatGPT represents the epitome of human-AI interaction. Yet, despite its rapid rise to prominence, the true extent of its potential often remains untapped, eluding the grasp of those who yearn to harness its power. In this video, we will embark on a thrilling journey and reveal the hidden tips and tricks that unlock its fullest potential and make you a pro at ChatGPT. Watch until the end of the video to find the most useful tip that would instantly elevate your prompting skills. Do you use ChatGPT often? If yes, let us know your experience with the chatbot so far in the comments below. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Experiment. We often struggle to communicate effectively. Our intentions may be different from what we actually convey. This is also true for ChatGPT. But if you're unsure about the response you receive, you can always ask it to generate a new one using a different prompt. Explore various prompts until you can fine-tune ChatGPT's response according to your preferences. Divide and conquer. Now, don't get this wrong, but ChatGPT is not as smart as you might assume. It requires guidance, particularly if you want it to provide you with the answers you're seeking. Precision is key. If you're not crystal clear about what you're inquiring about, you'll get muddled answers and information. To avoid befuddled responses, try breaking down your queries into smaller, easily understandable sentences. If you have a complex query and need a comprehensive response, you can approach it in a step-by-step manner by requesting ChatGPT to refine the solutions based on your desired outcome. By doing this, you ensure that the chatbot accurately answers your questions according to your defined process. This approach can be particularly helpful when you require ChatGPT to create a calendar for a project or generate code on your behalf. This way, the language model can comprehend precisely what you're requesting and provide precise and accurate responses. Your personal translator. ChatGPT is an outstanding and free translation tool that surpasses Google Translate in its ability to provide contextual responses. Whether you need to translate a work email from a colleague or a business partner, ChatGPT is here to assist. If you find yourself unsure about the precise meaning of phrases or sentences, simply ask ChatGPT to translate the text into your desired language. You will be astonished by the efficiency and power of this tool. In addition, ChatGPT's translation feature can be utilized to comprehend poems, books, articles, and other literary works, uncovering the deeper meanings often lost in Google's literal word-to-word translation. So take advantage of this invaluable tool for a more nuanced understanding of language. Make conversation. ChatGPT is an AI tool created for conversational purposes, allowing you to communicate with it. If you're unsatisfied with the outcome and wish to make slight adjustments, you can request the chatbot to do so, as if you're speaking to a person. The AI is intelligent enough to comprehend your references, saving you the effort of rephrasing the entire query. Moreover, engaging in a conversation with ChatGPT could help you understand why you're receiving inaccurate or inappropriate responses. As a result, you can direct the AI to rectify any outputs that might have deviated from the topic and steer it back on track. Tweak the style and tone. It is even possible to request ChatGPT to imitate a person's writing style. Give it a try. The results will amaze you. By employing clever prompts, you can coax ChatGPT out of its mundane and factual default tone and into a realm of fascinating possibilities, such as mimicking the writing style of your beloved authors. Imagine capturing the sharp and straightforward essence of an Ernest Hemingway or Raymond Carver tale, or experiencing the eloquent cadence of a Shakespeare drama. Alternatively, you can delve into the intricate richness of a Dickens novel. Remember, the outcomes may not equal the brilliance of these venerable authors, but they offer a means to infuse your interactions with greater creativity. Before we move on, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so you know immediately when we upload a new video. Specify a format. You can specify the desired format of the response when interacting with the chatbot. For instance, if you require an essay in US English or a list sorted in ascending order, it is best to provide a clear prompt with all the necessary parameters to save time. Additionally, if you want a specific formatting style, such as bullet points, it is important to mention it in your prompt. You can even get responses in tabular form. If you need responses in the form of a table, ChatGPT can provide them upon request. This feature is especially useful for acquiring information or generating creative ideas. For instance, you can create a table for meal suggestions and ingredients, game concepts and necessary equipment, or translations of the days of the week into various languages. Through conversational prompts and ordinary language, you could instruct ChatGPT to modify the tables it generates and output them in a standardized format compatible with other programs like Microsoft Excel. Surpass the word limit. In the case that you request ChatGPT to produce a 1,200-word response while using a free account, the output might be shorter than the desired length due to account limitations. Nevertheless, the response will include a concluding paragraph that indicates its completion. Fortunately, there is a way to overcome this limitation. Simply prompt the chatbot to go on, and it will seamlessly pick up from where it left off, providing you with a more detailed answer. Use it as an editor. If you have written a paragraph or an essay for an assignment or need to send an important email, you can rely on ChatGPT to help you correct any grammar mistakes, enhance the tone, and improve the overall structure. This can prevent any embarrassment at your workplace or college, while also saving you money that would have been spent on a professional editor. Further, you can ask ChatGPT to propose suitable titles for your articles or subjects for your emails, allowing you to choose the one that aligns perfectly with your style and context. Set limits. If you want to see ChatGPT's impressive abilities, give it some restrictions to work within. You can ask it to limit its responses to a specific number of words or paragraphs, which could involve condensing information or using short words. If ChatGPT doesn't follow your instructions correctly, you can correct it and it will try again. Avoid copy-paste. ChatGPT is capable of generating outline structures for various forms of writing, such as articles, essays, emails, resumes, or cover letters. While it can assist in writing, it is recommended to use the generated content as a guideline and create original material. It is important to note that there is a possibility that the solution provided by ChatGPT might be plagiarized from elsewhere. It is always recommended to follow best practices and exercise due diligence, as plagiarized content can lead to negative consequences in professional and educational settings. Besides, the responses generated by ChatGPT may require editing for grammar and spelling. Feel free to utilize other AI-powered tools like Grammarly or Google Docs to identify and correct these errors. Remember your audience. Now here's the extremely helpful one. As you navigate through the vast information superhighway, it's important to keep your audience in mind. Understanding who you are communicating with and what their level of knowledge is on a particular topic will help you effectively convey your message, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT can be an incredibly powerful tool, especially if you utilize its audience targeting feature. By simply specifying the target audience of your message, you can customize the responses you receive to ensure they are appropriate and understandable for your given audience. Imagine you're speaking to a group of 10-year-olds about a complex topic such as quantum physics. In this scenario, it's essential to use simple language and explain concepts in an easy way. By letting GPT know that your audience is a group of 10-year-olds, it will provide you with responses that are tailored to their level of knowledge and comprehension. Similarly, if you're speaking to a group of business entrepreneurs, you can tell ChatGPT to target the audience when generating. In this case, you may want to use more sophisticated language and explain concepts in greater detail to ensure your message resonates with this particular audience. The next time you use ChatGPT to prepare an assignment for school or a presentation for work, make sure you let the chatbot know precisely who the target audience is, and let us know how it goes in the comments section. Provide examples. To enhance the responses you receive from ChatGPT, you can preface your question by providing some relevant data. For instance, you might supply a collection of book summaries along with their respective genres, and then ask ChatGPT to assign the appropriate genre to a new summary. Alternatively, you could inform ChatGPT about your preferred activities and solicit a fresh recommendation. There are no specific wording requirements for this approach. Simply use natural language as you usually would, and ChatGPT will comprehend your intention. Begin your prompt by indicating that you are presenting examples, and explicitly instruct the bot to consider those examples when generating a response. From its humble beginnings to its rapid rise, this AI language model has proven its limitless potential. However, many users remain unaware of the vast array of tips and tricks that can unlock its full capabilities. Now, armed with this knowledge, you are poised to navigate the uncharted territories of human-AI interaction and harness the limitless possibilities that ChatGPT offers. Thank you for watching It's Time for AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll be back again shortly.